Thank you. Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at the deployment scenario. So in the last video, we have seen how we are going to set this box up, right? So once this box is set up, once you connect it properly, the power bank and the USB. So look, this power bank is different than the power bank that we have seen before, but it's the same principle. If you connect this power bank the way that I explained in the last video, then what is going to happen here is that this box is going to create a local hotspot. Okay, it's going to create a local hotspot, or sometimes it's called access point and that access point by default it's called Shikhya, Shikhya. Okay, so that hotspot is by default called Shikhya. You can configure this thing. We will learn how to configure this thing in some other videos. Okay, so once you see this thing connected and once this hotspot is created, then you have the client devices. So these are called the client devices. This client device can be a tablet, can be a cell phone, can be a smartphone, can be a laptop, even can be a desktop. But what they need to do is that they should have also a wireless access point. Essentially, your smartphone, tablet, laptop by default will have wireless access point. What we have seen is that if you have a PC that is very old, then that may not have an access point. So sometimes we have seen that desktop computers may not have a wireless access point. In that case, what you need to do, you need to buy a dongle, and that dongle probably costs you about $5, and using that dongle you can ensure that your desktop also have an wireless access point. So once your client have a wireless access point, and what they can do, they can connect to this access point wirelessly. So let's take a look how it's happening here. So if you see, these are my access point, and if you see, there is something called Shikhya, that is the access point of my setup box right now. So whatever setup box I have basically set up this thing, I have something called Shikhya. And what I'm going to do, if I'm going to connect here, so now I am connected to the Shikhya access point. So essentially from my laptop, now I connected to this thing by that click. Okay, so this is how the deployment scenario, and you have to make sure that we need to ensure that the client can connect to the server. Thank you.